Good morning from the boat. Dad's in here making breakfast. Dad, what is it that you're making?
Shakshuka.
Shakshuka. It's like poached eggs in a marinara sauce. And then you put mozzarella on the toast or bread, right? I'm gonna go see what the guys are doing out here. Are you out here with the boys?
Yes.
Oh, you're...
Maybe we have to.
What are you guys doing?
Trying to find out why
Breaking things.
yeah. Trying to find out why this button isn't working. This one is.
Yeah, that one works. If you press it hard, because it doesn't have a good contact.
Oh, it doesn't have good contact.
See, what this is what Morphe was telling me is that this is the anchor to bring the anchor in. But if you loosen this with that, usually it has a tool, right?
Yeah, usually it has a tool
So
that you
if
put it here.
you use this to loosen it,
Yeah?
like this, loosen it. So now that it's loosened, and the clutch is.
Yeah, this thing doesn't move. This thing doesn't move, so it moves only this whole thing.
So now it moves this whole thing, and what this is designed to do is to tighten your lines,
Okay.
So,
to bring it up.
so you have more power.
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
With your hands is very.
Because both of us were up there just trying to
To pull it.
maneuver it, yeah.
So,
But now this one, which is brings the anchor up,
yeah, it doesn't work.
it doesn't work.
So now, right now, thank God I didn't do.
Is
too
it
much.
because our anchor's all the way up?
No. Because it should go either way with this, okay?
Yeah.
It should go here or that.
How'd you get the anchor up?
The anchor was up.
Oh, the anchor.
Okay, so the only thing I did is
So they're going to open those and make sure that they're cleaned and not too rusted so the anchor can freely come up or down while we're at open water. Look,
muy bueno. Very
Lucy's
nice.
expecting her dad.
Yes, she's in her chair.
She was sitting
Where's
there.
mine?
Breakfast on the boat. We are doing a walk to the electrical store. Hopefully it's not too hot out here. I don't think I'm gonna need my sweatshirt, but I'm bringing it. Okay, we need glasses. Glasses by the counter. Did you say James's glasses? Here we go. Where are you going? I think he's gonna go get the number. So my dad saw somebody rip a label off of an Amazon box and he's missing his Amazon box, so he's checking the label.
I'm looking for the tag. And the guy pulled off the. But I'm not seeing it.
Yeah.
So we were looking for one of these. The one that we have the clamps behind it aren't closing down on the wire when we put the wire in there, so it's shorting it out. And we obviously this is an American style plug, so they don't have these here. So what we're having to do is actually cut the actual cord off of the ice maker. So this will be, we're going to put this on the ice maker cord. So now it has a European cord, and then we're going to put this on the wire to replace this that's coming from the boat.
Okay.
So now we can tell the ice maker European.
Now the ice maker will be actually European. Which we want it to be. We want it to be. We want it to be water.
Hey, so we ordered these. Out here they do bread with like different types of toppings, and then we ended up...
Tostadas.
Are they? They're called tostadas, which is interesting because we call the Mexican dish with the tortillas and the stuff on top of it, it's tostadas. So like their version of a tostada and their version of a tortilla are very different here in Spain than they are in America. But we ended up being joined with Mia, Beth, and Nana for our snacks. That was a nice little break. Now we're gonna head back And today we do tours like every other day or do like outings, and then the other days we either rest or we do things like chores, like things that need to be done on the boat, like whether it's cleaning or grocery shopping. Today we are doing a grocery run because we still have our rental car and we won't have that soon, so we're going to go shopping in bulk. And then also we're going to hit the pet store and one other thing. Forget what. Oh, I have to go by the electronics store, so hopefully they have those here. I need to get SD cards. So we're going to the grocery store to get our nails done and some stuff. So I've got my bags. So we're making a quick stop to grab a bite to eat, and this is our view. Look at these fun shades that they put up of people walking by. And then if you look over here in the distance, there's Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. I don't know what he's doing out here. It's gotta be hot in there. We've just got dropped off. Now we gotta find the nail salon. I just finished my manicure and pedicure. My mom is getting her nails removed, so she's still in there, but I thought I would come and see if I could get data cards across the street. I'm having a really hard time downloading video with the Wi-Fi we have in place. I'm walking all by myself looking for data cards. My mom's still sitting at the nail shop. It says only 2 more minutes. Notice they made some of them like girls, so they wouldn't all be boys. I found what we would consider like a Best Buy. So I got to that really big media market. They did not have the Sims card I needed, and nobody could understand me. The people that did speak English didn't quite understand my lingo, so I tried to use the app, but there was something about the cards not being rechargeable or something. Maybe something about the Coast Guard, I don't know. Anyways, I couldn't get the Sims cards, but I did get data cards or I couldn't get the Sims data cards, but I did get the SD cards for my GoPro. So that's good. I'm actually really glad my mom didn't walk. It was like a 7-minute walk, and it's hard for her to walk long distances. Okay, all of our groceries. Oh my goodness.
Oh, down.
It's all meat.
It's all the meat. I'll take one more thing.
Oh no, bread! Oh no.
Guess we can make stuffing with that one.
Too heavy.
I'm sure they got gravy here, right?
That'll float back up.